Check the door, I see she looking, thinking she here for a reason, but mistaken it clearly. Don't be shook, kid, you can do this, but she don't wanna be near me. She fears me. What have I done from the beginning? I knew to be done, but then I run to the light that I thought would fuel my fire, but it wasn't right my whole life. Changing the game in a way, but I'm still playing her in a different way. May I stay a little longer? I ponder on a million, but why bother? Why? Cause soon I'll father. Her kids, no lie, throwing up in the sky, but spin on her till I die. She my queen, she my diva. Listen to me when I say I need her on a daily basis. What I see, what I breathe, oh hell, she even knows my seeds. So amazing, she's like make believe. I hit them trees, she hit them six. You picturing now, we ain't different. Just two kids throwing up in this mix that later in life all doing alright. I know the weather's been cold in the past, but now it's just us and our love like gloves. We gon' forever last. Like gloves, we gon' forever last. Baby girl, forget about the past, cause you and I, we gon' forever last. I look back at my life, all the shit that I said.
It's the coldest weather. It's the coldest weather.
All the people that I met, I know I'ma regret.
It's the coldest weather. It's the coldest weather.
Yeah, that stays sick. Yeah, that stays sick.
It's the coldest weather. It's the coldest weather.
Hot like December, feeling the weather. Coldest, coldest, coldest.
Black mask over my eyes. I was told that love was blind. Now I'm the Lone Ranger looking for strangers. I want a dope chick to kick it by my side. Go out and pop at the first chicken on notice. Taking her home in the night clothing. I give her the pipe. She's saying goodnight. Now reality starts to unfolding. Sleeping in the winter bed after dealing with the line spouse. Menopause, every head black heart, eyes red. Now he waking to a quiet house all alone. Memories and regrets settled in. Asking how to let it die out. Was it something I did? Fuck that shit. Taking shots at the fist and my pride out. It was her. Selfish wants guide my next moves. Don't care attitude, trust issues. Turn the page of my life. I ain't living it right. Never wanted to become that dude. The light of my heart is dark and black like the one in the sky. Now heartless. My rotten intent stay bent and never do bitches right. Real talk. Hollow words to any chick like a script saying shit. I don't really mean convince any bitch with expensive wishes, riches. Then I play getting in between. The next day, she on the craze, back away his head. She can damn. I should've known better, but there ain't no coat to cover your soul when your heart enters that cold. What?
I look back